Let's think about that massive, clunky plastic box taking up half your garage or trunk space right now. The traditional hard cooler. We all love how they keep our drinks freezing cold, but storing them when the trip is over is an absolute nightmare. Coleman completely solves that problem by giving us the best of both worlds. This is the Coleman Snap N Go 45-quart collapsible hard cooler in this gorgeous, sleek muscle gray. It is literally a rugged, hard-sided cooler that shrinks down out of sight when you don't need it. Setting this thing up is wildly satisfying and takes less than 10 seconds. It ships and stores completely flat like a briefcase, but when you grab the comfortable side handles and lift, it snaps right out into a full-size, ultra-durable hard cooler. When your camping trip, tailgate, or beach day is over, you just pull a single interior strap and it collapses down to just 1/3 of its original size. It gets so flat that you can slide it under a bed, toss it on a closet shelf, or leave it permanently in the trunk of your car, just in case, without sacrificing any precious cargo room. Don't let the folding magic fool you into thinking it's flimsy, because this thing is built like a tank. The rigid walls are incredibly sturdy, and the 45-quart capacity is spacious enough to hold up to a massive 76 cans. Thanks to a fully insulated body and lid, it keeps ice cold for up to 55 hours. That is over 2 full days of crisp, refreshing drinks. Inside, you get a premium, waterproof, removable liner. This is a massive lifesaver because it acts as a barrier that keeps melted ice from leaking through the hinges, prevents old food odors from sticking to the cooler, and lets you pull the whole sleeve out for a quick, effortless cleanup. It completely changes the game for weekend warriors, apartment dwellers, or anyone who hates trip logistics. If you are ready to dump your old space-hogging cooler and upgrade to a smart, packable design that doesn't compromise on cooling performance, you need to check this out. Make sure to click the link below for the best price available right now. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment letting me know where you take this first, and I will see you in the next video.